Today, in this video, I will expose the exact same untapped dropshipping strategy that is printing millions for me. As you guys can see, yesterday we generated 8.3k Great British Pounds, which equals to 11k US dollars. And not even yesterday, even if I go back to last week, Tuesday, we did 9.78k, which is, I believe, 13k USD. And we're doing this consistently. If you guys see, in the last 90 days, we're printing with this one. 500k in the last 90 days USD. So in the next few months, we will be hitting the 1 million mark on this complete brand new dropshipping store. So you guys will see in this video the complete strategy from A to Z, how to do this completely for free. Okay, let's get into it. So you guys can see the #1 untapped dropshipping strategy that prints millions. You guys have seen the screenshot, but now you may be wondering, yeah, just where you have experience. Well, I do have people that don't have experience and they just listen to me and it's working for them as well. Fazil is making a 1k day, ROAS 2.9. Michael did 1k day in less than 30 days with this brand new store. Terry did a 11.2 ROAS and a 1.5k day. Rewas is doing a 1k day after 90 days of ads. This is the exact same strategy that I've taught them and they implemented it and it is printing for them as well. Okay, so now you guys will see this completely for free. Let's start with the foundation. The foundation is very simple. I will explain it like this. Most of you guys that start with dropshipping and you listen to all the other gurus, they will tell you that you need to start with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, because that's where all the conversions happen. That's what they tell you, but that's not true. These platforms are social media platforms. So these are designed to make brand awareness, to generate brand awareness. And that's what we call top of funnel. At the top of funnel, you just create brand awareness because that's where most people are. But I can tell you, this is the red ocean. Very competitive, cash heavy, and a lot of spam testing different products, different campaigns, different markets, etc., etc. And you will get easily blocked, banned, all this crap with happening with Facebook ads and TikTok ads. But on the other hand, we have the blue ocean, Google ads. That's where the conversions happen because this is bottom of funnel. Every day, people, when they want to buy products, they go to Google. They don't go to Facebook or TikTok. That doesn't make sense. So this is less competition, cash friendly, and you only need one campaign to test all products. And the good thing about Google Ads is they charge you per click, not by impressions, CPM. Because even though when you have the most beautiful ad on Facebook and people scroll past it, they have seen it and you're being charged with a CPM. With Google, this is not the case, okay? So what we do is read data and we look for trends. So what does the average dropshipper do? They buy and subscribe to a shit ton of spy tools to find this winning product. And I think this is a big scam. You don't need to find winning products on paid spy tools. What I do, I just use common sense and free tools like Google Trends to find trends. Like this one. This is an example. Pickleball. You guys can see last 5 years, it's going bananas on Google. The search volume is going like crazy and it's at its peak right now. So everything that you will be selling in this niche will go crazy. I even verified this with the Google Ads keyword planner and you guys can see I've typed in pickleball. Almost 1 million people only in the US per month are searching for pickleball. So if you provide them with pickleball paddles, pickleball balls, pickleball shirts, you will be printing because people are looking for this, okay? I hope this really makes sense because this is just looking at the data and understanding the data, okay? So when we have found this data, we need to find products and we need to put them on the store. And what I recommend is that you build a niche store that looks branded, just like this one. Selling pickleball paddles, 69 bucks, very easy store, very easy branding, so simple, but people are looking for this. This is what people are looking for and they will just buy it straight away from you because they have seen everything and they just need it. Why? Because that's how you do the marketing. I will show you the example with pickleball. This is how you do the marketing on Google Ads. Literally here you see Luke's Pickleball, the third listing on Google. I clicked on it and I landed on this store. That's how easy it is. The funny thing is Google Ads generates these images for you and generates the ad creative for you. This is much hands off. But on the other hand, we have Facebook ads. If you search for pickleball, you will see 15,000 active ads right now with the craziest UGC content that you need to create to fight for the click and fight for the conversion. This is very much cash heavy and hands-on. You need to spam test a shit ton of creatives, making the scripts, finding the UGC creators, sending them the product. It's insane. It's insane. This process is so hands-on and so cash unfriendly, while on the other hand, we have hands-off, one campaign, and you're only being charged when people click on it. And you can see these guys are even in front of, for example, Amazon. You just need to have a good product image and a good price, because this looks very, very clean. So this is how you do the marketing. Now you are maybe wondering, but okay, now we're making 1K per day, because this is pretty easy. This is just repeating the process and you will be making 1K per day. How can you then go from 1K per day to $10,000 per day that we are doing right now? Because as you guys can see, even today when I'm recording this video, we're at 5.2K while I'm making this video. So it's very easy. The biggest unlock for me was expanding in markets. As you guys can see, this is the screenshot from last 90 days. We have tested the exact same products, the exact same store in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's say 9 markets. And you guys can see I'm printing in all markets. And the good thing why this is such a powerful thing is your blended ROAS, your average ROAS of the whole ad account will go up. So for example, you can have a bad day in the United Kingdom with a ROAS of, I don't know, 1.8, maybe break even. But then Switzerland is killing it with a ROAS of 6. Now your blended ROAS is 3. So your whole ad account is profitable. So in general, you can keep scaling because your blended ROAS is profitable. Normally what people do is just launch one store, one market. When something happens in the market goes down, you're doomed. Like with the US when the tariffs happened, or when Elon Musk and Trump were fighting, like the whole market went down. I don't rely on this because I have multiple markets. So I'm not affected with this, okay? I hope you guys understand this. And this is literally what happened to me when I just launched the new markets. You guys can see it literally exploded for me every time. So every month we make a new feed and a new campaign in a new market, and boom, it starts exploding. So this is how we went from 2.8K per day to 10K per day last week, okay? So what you maybe also don't know is now you have exit potential, because investors are looking for stores with consistent ROAS, consistent sales, and consistent profits. And guess what? Most people that are doing TikTok ads and Facebook dropshipping, they have a lot of inconsistency because ad account bans, ad fatigues, competition, etc. So I had this case study in 2023 when I started with this whole strategy. You guys can see I scaled the store from 20K a month to 1 million in total. And this store was very, very profitable every month. 5K, 23K, 27K, 32K, 32K, 19K, 20K. And we made 235K in profit after refunds. So before refunds, it was even 300K in profit. And then I sold the store after a few months. So you guys can see I sold it for 25K, 42K, 32K, because I repeat this process every time. I create a store, I scale it up profitably, I exit the store, because in the meantime, I created multiple stores doing the exact same thing in different markets. This is how easily it gets, okay? So this is how you make an extra 6 figures every time when you just have scaled the store. So now you maybe wonder, okay, Jesper, now I know what to do, but how the heck do I do this? Well, the only thing that you need to do is click the link in the description, the first link in the description, because this is the exact same strategy that I teach in Freedom Achievers community hands-on. As you guys can see, if I click on the Wins tab, you guys see Michael printing, Fazil is printing, Terry is printing, Rewas is printing, Terry again, here Arnold is doing some good numbers. Tobias landed even a order of 72 Swedish krona, 7.2K USD. Arnold making a 10K month. Even Akshit is doing 8K per day with only 2 brands. It's insane. So as you guys can see in the classroom, we have a full build Google Ads masterclass, which teaches you how to do this. We even host almost daily live calls where you can ask questions to me and my team members and even other community members to just chit chat about your problems. And we make sure that it is being solved. And of course, you have the map where you can connect with community members so you can work together on your store and just share some value together. So if you want to join this community, this is the #1 community on School for dropshippers. First link is in the description. And maybe now you're wondering, but Jesper, how effective is Google Ads dropshipping? Well, I made a video telling you and showing you how Google Ads dropshipping completely changed my life in this video. So I definitely recommend you guys to watch that one. And for now, I will see you in the next one.